Hey friends, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for Amazon sellers, Junglescout. So, why Junglescout? With millions of products on Amazon, finding the right niche, analyzing trends, and beating the competition can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Junglescout simplifies this process by providing powerful insights into product demand, competition, and potential profitability. With features like the product database, opportunity finder, and keyword scout, Junglescout helps you identify winning products, optimize your listings, and skyrocket your sales. Junglescout has everything you need to succeed in the competitive world of e-commerce. To get started, just click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple strategies. Until next time.